Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I've got the new Leatt 1.5 Moto Light hands-free hydration pack. So Leatt built this pack with the racer in mind. So it's a nice, very lightweight, low-profile pack. You've got 2 liters of storage capacity here with the main compartment, and then you have a 1.5 liter horizontal bladder here in the bottom. So we'll go through, we'll talk about this pack, and help you decide if this is the pack that you are looking for. But yeah, overall, I've tried it on, super comfortable, lots of adjustability with the straps, unique adjustment straps, which I'll show you here in just a moment. But yeah, if you're looking for something, again, lightweight, low profile, race scenario, this could be a really good option. Another cool, unique feature about this, if I undo the center strap right here, you actually have Leatt's 3DF foam here down at the bottom, so it is going to offer a little bit of impact protection at the lower part of the pack. But also what's nice too is that this is just going to help separate that and keep it off your back to help get some airflow going through this while you are wearing the pack. So the shoulder straps are nice and thin, they're all mesh, but what's kind of cool, so you've got this strap right here that you can cinch everything down, but what they do is actually give you the ability, so just using some Velcro here, to move this forward and back to get that fit that's going to be best for you, which I really do like that setup. And then right here going down, you can see Siptube is going to be here on the left side. You do have a little magnetic clip right here to keep that in place, which I really like this magnetic clip. I have it, I've seen it on other packs that I've used. It works really well. They also include their hands-free hydration setup. So you can see the Siptube here has a quick disconnect on the shoulder. So you disconnect that, it integrates with their helmet, works really well. What's nice is that once that's all set up, that way you can put your helmet and pack on, and when you want to take your helmet off, you can just disconnect the Siptube. You don't have to take the pack off either. So on the straps right here, you got nice big sections of reflectivity, which is nice. And then you do have, this is webbing right here, so you could attach other items right here to that webbing. And then you've got your center buckle right here. And again, these straps on the side, plenty of adjustability. So it is a one-size-fits-all pack. So looking at the front here, so your 2 pockets, you have the horizontal bladder right here. Again, it's a 1.5 liter bladder, and you do have on the inside some reflective material here. That is just to help insulate this compartment. It's going to keep it so your body heat, it's not going to transfer through the pack into this bladder compartment. That's what that reflective material is there to do. So it's going to keep your drinks cold when you have them inside there. And then the bottom of the bag, quick disconnect right there as well. So put that back in. What is kind of cool with this is, you see too, got a little spot right here to connect something as well. But with the main compartment, like I said, 2 liters of storage capacity. So the Siptube is going to route right here up over the shoulder. It can be over the right shoulder if you want it to. But if you want to run a larger water bladder than that 1.5 liter, they give you the ability, if you want, to put a 2 liter bladder inside here. So you can actually see you've got this little strap right here. That is to suspend a bladder in this compartment if you do want to. And then you do have just a little mesh stash pocket right here at the very top as well. So you can put some keys, nuts, bolts, anything like that in that pocket. But then inside there, it's just one big pocket. So no other separate compartments in there. But you notice though, right here, you can see right through it. On the back side there, that just shows you how thin and lightweight this pack is. I can see my fingers through all that, so it's a lightweight mesh. So this pack, you know, is gonna do a good job when it comes to breathing. And so that's it. That is the 1.5 Moto Light Hydration Pack. Again, Leatt built this with the racer in mind, somebody looking for low profile, lightweight, you know, for a race scenario, things like that, a shorter day ride. It's going to be a really good option. They do have their XL version, which I believe is around 20 liters of storage capacity plus the water bladder. So if you do like this pack and you're looking for something a little bit larger, check out the XL version, which is also CE certified for impacts too, with the foam that they have on the back panel. But questions, comments, make sure leave those down below. To grab this, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And while you're there, you can check out the other Leatt packs and all the other hydration packs we do offer. We have buyer's guides, so if you're just not sure which one's gonna be best for you, we can answer questions for you or watch the other videos that we have. We will get your questions answered. We ship for free over 75 bucks. To stay up to date on spotlights like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. You'll be good to go. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.